We'll guide you through how to record your laptop screen with audio and your camera. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do. Perhaps it's for YouTube or for work. Open a web browser of your choice. We do need to get an app, and this is called OBS, stands for Open Broadcaster Software. Download it and install it like any other app. Then what you can do is go and open it up. You can select the blank scene over to the left, create one if needed. Go to the bottom right and press settings. You want to come to the left and select output. Make it simple and come to recording path. You can copy these same settings here as me. The path is going to be where it's saved. The one thing that may vary is the encoder. You can select software X264 if you don't have NVENC, which is NVIDIA. Then come to the left and select video. You can set these both to 1080p. I like the FPS to set be 60 as it's smooth. And come to the left and select audio. You can go and select your desktop audio, which is your sound, and then your mic. Then press apply and press OK. What you can then do is come into sources and press the plus in the bottom left there and press display capture and press OK. You can then go and choose the display if you've got multiple. I'll use this one and press OK. And you can then go and resize it by clicking, holding and dragging and using the corner points. Add your camera by pressing the plus at the bottom, and you can select video capture device and press OK. You can select it and then you can press OK. And then what you can do is go and resize it to your liking. You can crop it by holding Alt. Adjust the audio mix to your liking, and when you're ready, you can press start recording.